Okay, good morning, student. 10th B Algebra lecture, chapter number 2 will revise problem set. Before that, related to the unit test, I want to give you some information regarding paper style and mark distribution and syllabus. So, for 10th maths, in algebra and in geometry, there will be two chapters. From each chapter, we will ask 5 MCQs. Algebra chapter number 1, 5 MCQs. Algebra chapter number 2, 5 MCQs, 5 plus 5, 10 MCQs, 10 marks. Geometry chapter number 1, 5 MCQ. Chapter number 2, 5 MCQ. Total 10 MCQ. So total 20 MCQs, 20 marks. So syllabus clear. Distribution of marks per chapter, it is clear. Any question ask. Don't ask your friend. Don't ask to other student of other division. Ask whatever you have doubt. Ask. 2 plus 2 chapters means total 4 chapters. From all 4 chapters, 5 questions, 5 MCQs. So total 20. That's it. 4 chapter, whatever, every day, whatever I am completing, that you have to complete. That is very important. Same notebook, workbook, same. Parallel, you have. So 2 times it is good, no? On the spot you will get the revision. Okay, any doubts regarding this? Shall I rub now? For your information, I am telling, for the science also, the pattern will be the same. 10 plus 10. Part 1, science part 1, 10 questions, science part 2. But that it will be confirmed by your subject teacher. So don't worry. Some questions I want to revise. That real and equal method. Eighth question, which is very important. Compare with equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is a? What is b? Remove x square, a. Remove x, this is b. 2 is also there, correct? And what is c? Only 2. When roots are real and equal, from here 5 steps you have to write. Therefore, this is equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is equal to 4ac. These steps you have to write constant for any questions. Now answer will start. B square 2 m minus 12 4. What is A? What is C? 2 to the 4. M minus 12 I will write 2 times. See how much simple it is. So 4 I will write separate, 2 I will write separate. So I can cancel this, I can cancel this. So m minus 12 is equal to 2. See how easy it is. Without opening the bracket, without taking the factor. So second answer, here it is m squared, so it is a quadratic equation. So if you are getting only one answer, second you have to assume 0. So exactly it is 14 and 0. Nature of quadratic equation. Nature. Sixth 2. Nature of roots. What is that? This also they can ask for MCQ. So compare with equation ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. What is A? Only root 3. What is B? Only root 2. What is C? Minus 2 root 3. To find the nature of roots, you have to find out discriminant value. So b square minus 4 ac root 2 only, this is 4 only, this is minus 2 only, root 3 is 3 only, minus it is plus, it is 2, 4 2 is 8, 3 is 24, 26 answer. Which is greater than 0? Positive. When it is positive, it is real. Thus, who is that? Dux, who is that coming again and again with Krishna sir's ID? Arey, remove no, why you are giving? Arey, why you are giving entry? See, means Gaddar is in our group only. Somebody has given ID to outsider. That people only can do this. Our school student will not do this. See, girls are also there. Sometime madam and that Anita madam also coming. So if they will read this word, I am busy on writing here. Somebody is writing any word. which I have not heard in my life, and that is on my computer. Like your safety and your precautions and your respect is in my hand, no? So my respect also are in your hand. आपके मम्मी या पापा को कोई कुछ भी बोल के जाएगा तो आपको सहन होगा? नहीं होगा. तो सेम टू सेम आपके टीचर्स को भी कुछ कोई बोल के जाए वो आपको सहन नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड वो एंट्री नहीं दे रहा है कुछ तो स्कूल का स्टूडेंट. नहीं, आफ्टर टेकिंग एंट्री दे आर चेंजिंग. सी, दक्ष अभी किसी को भी एंट्री मत दो, किसी को भी मत दो. हाँ, जो नेटवर्क से निकल जाए उसको सिर्फ री एंटर करो, बाकी न्यू किसी को भी मत दो. हाँ, इट इज पॉजिटिव मीन्स रियल बट नॉट इक्वल. देयरफॉर दक्ष वो सब रिकॉर्ड करके रखना और सब भेजो मुझे, मैं भेजता हूँ आज. दक्ष वो मुझे ना भेजो, मैं आज भेजता हूँ. Now it is okay. I have changed the network. Now that fellow is coming again and again. It is this things no very irritating for me. Now let's go for some. If you have textbook, see page number 53. Which one of the quadratic equation is there? So B1 is a quadratic equation. Why? That I am explaining. X plus 5 is equal to 2. So this is x square plus 5x minus 2. It is 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is which is not a quadratic equation. A is not a quadratic equation. Why? Because x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square cut. So 4x minus 11 is equal to 0. So no x square. Real and equal it is given. X square plus kx plus k, it is 0. So 8 is 0, b it is k, c it is k. Okay, real and equal, discriminant 0, b square minus 4ac 0, b square is equal to 4ac, b square k square 4ac, a is 1, c is k, so k 1 reduce, k is equal to 4. That is the answer in C. These are the MCQs, very important. Even in exam also they will ask this time. Find the value of discriminant. Okay, first a is equal to root 2 only, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to root 2, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 5 square minus 4ac minus 5 25, root 2 2 into 4 8 70. So greater than 0, real and unequal. But what they want answer only, so that is B answer. No need of this. Now root alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 5 they have given. Now for this, which options? Don't check the options. Take alpha plus beta. 5 plus 3, 8. Alpha dot beta. 5 is a 15. So x square minus x, alpha plus beta, alpha dot beta is equal to 0. X square minus x, x square minus x plus 15 is equal to 0. That equation is B. So at the end you have to write B. अरे दक्ष आप एंट्री क्यों दे रहे हो बच्चा? अरे आगे just now he left. Daksh without entry how he can enter? Tell me. But if you will remove automatically, suppose by the network he will left, so see. This is the very worst incident in my life. Okay. Student, be careful, bacha. Don't give our school link ID to anybody. See, this is the insult of your teacher. This is insult of your parents. And girls are also observing. They are reading. And see, in this type of the technology, we are totally helpless. Means see, there are 38 students. Means from this group only someone have given. गद्दार हमारे बीच में ही है ना. Then only that फालतू public are having this idea and all this. Very worst. Sum of its root minus 5. So that is B. If alpha plus beta, that is minus 5, So that answer you will get in B because it is in plus form. Now, Daksh, what we will do, bachcha? We will change the ID. Hello, Daksh. For tomorrow, no, you just send me new ID. Tomorrow we have lecture or not? Tomorrow we have geometry lecture. So that ID we will change because this is too much. हाँ, तो ये नहीं, ये आईडी उसके हाथ में आ गई है. अभी देखते ना न्यू में. ओके. Okay, take the screenshot so I can rub. Take the screenshot. Next two questions are very important. Take screenshot. Root 5 m square minus root 5 m plus root 5 is equal to 0. Compare with equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 5, b is equal to minus root 5, c is equal to root 5. So b square minus 4ac, b square 4ac negative answer. Negative answer means what? Not real, not equal. Now x square plus mx minus 5 is equal to 0. One root is 2, so x is equal to 2. So to find m, when root is given, you can take left side and right side. Therefore 2 square so 4 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. So 2m is equal to plus 1. M is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the answer. And m is equal to half, that is C answer. and here not real, not equal. B square y cube. How it is real? They have given real. Let me check. It is 1, 1, 1. So b square. Roots are not real, not equal. Here I am answer. Correct. 100%. The difference between the square of two numbers is 12. Let two numbers are x and y. So x square minus y square, they have given 120. Difference between the square of two numbers is 120. The square of the smaller number is twice the greater number. The square of smaller number is twice the greater number. Two number, x square, y square. Difference between the square is 120. So I have taken x square minus y square. So this is a smaller. So smaller number square is double of the bigger number. So I will replace y by 2x. So x square minus 2x, sorry. So x square minus 2x minus 120. When there is a 0 as a unit place, remove 0. Very easily you will get the factor. 12x plus 100x minus 120. So 120 means 12 tens are. So there are two answers, x is equal to 12 or 10, but we can take this positive number. So x is equal to 12, y square is equal to 2x, correct? So 12 into 2, 24 square root 4 6 are, so 2 root 6. So 12 square means what? 12 square means what? 144. Y square means what? 24. So it is 120. So somewhere you have to substitute and try to get your answer is correct or not. Students, see, do the maximum number of MCQs from the textbook. In first exercise it is given MCQs. In problem set there are given MCQs, and some very short questions they have solved in solve problem. So that small questions they can convert into MCQ. Because suppose by solving the answer is 10, so they will give 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Like that they can create the question. But if the concept is very much clear in MCQ, you will be the master. Because this MCQs you have to reply on the base of concept. Whatever, so here I can change the number, instead of 120 I will write 130. So you should not confuse, but you know the method. With that method, and after reading MCQs, just don't tick anyone. Do actual process on rough. Try to get your answer. First read the question, don't read 4 answers. Read the question, you try your one method, find answer. Then that answer find where it is. If it is not there, your sum is wrong. Again try. So don't for zigzag A or B or C. Don't. Without knowing, without calculating, without this. Don't do. So